Hi, good morning. I'm Christian Macy Alejo. Live at Block 1, Lot 14, Bloomfield Subdivision, Novaliches, Quezon City. My contact number is 0912-983-3490. And my email address is km.alejo@yahoo.com. My career objective: looking forward for an opportunity where I will implement my ideas and contribute towards growth of the organization. Educational background: 2011 present. Bachelor of Science in Hotel, Restaurant, and Management, Our Lady of Fatima University, Quezon City Campus. Current third year level. 2007-2011, Our Lady of Lourdes School of Novaliches, Quezon City. 2002-2007, Santa Elena School, Novaliches, Quezon City. Some skills and strength: HRM skills: cooking, baking, and housekeeping. Computer: Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Internet. My seminar and training attended: January 26, a delightful dessert seminar at Our Lady of Fatima University, Quezon City Campus. May 7, 2013, First Aid and Basic Rescue Techniques Seminar at Our Lady of Fatima University. March 25, 2012, Jacketing and Toting Orientation at Our Lady of Fatima University. And last, September 26, 2011, Principles and Practices 101, Our Lady of Fatima University. My personal background: age, 18 years old. Gender, female. Weight, 80 labs. Height, 5 feet and 1 inches. Civil status, single. May character reference: Mrs. Agnes T. Oreste, Professor at Our Lady of Fatima University. Contact number 0922-8435-277. And Mrs. Carmelita Canabe, Government Employee. Contact number 0908-741-0980. Thank you.